I had the worst financial month ever in the month of August. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. If you are brand new to my channel, hey, welcome. I hope that you stick around and subscribe. My name is Leah. I'm a notary coach, and I'm also a business owner, and my channel is all about elevating your life through entrepreneurship. So for those who have been following me as it pertains to notary stuff, I want to let you know that I had the worst financial month ever in the month of August. So first off, let me start off by saying my bad month was kind of intentional. I planned on taking 0 signings in the month of August. However, I did pick up a couple of signings for one reason or another. And I have been working really hard with my mentorship group. I was mentoring a group of, I want to say it was 16 or 17 ladies who was needing assistance with getting their notary business off the ground. So in the month of August, the amount of money that I made was only $505. Yes, historically low. I could not believe it was that low. So only $505. Of course, like I said, it was intentional. I did not mean to pick up any signings in the month of August. I had a lot of stuff going on besides the fact that I was mentoring people in my 8-week mentorship program. So that program wraps up at the end of this week. So I have been working so diligently on getting a course out so I can help a lot of you, because each time I do a mentorship group, I get a lot of questions after the group is over asking if I could assist. So what I decided to do was start a course. So I'm very proud to say that my course is ready. My course can be purchased right now. So my course is basically straight to the point, teach you exactly how to get the business, how to get your mind right, and how to be a successful notary signing agent. It's a self-paced course where you take your time at your own pace and get all of your learning done. It's the perfect course. With that being said, you will be invited to a private Facebook group with like-minded notaries. So I'm super proud of this group because it combines the first and second cohort, because these are some fabulous people that I have worked with over the course of, let's say, like the last, 18 weeks or so, who are there to provide like a positive, upbuilding environment, who are there to liberally share, because I am a huge believer in abundance and not scarcity. So that's what I teach in my course too, so that you could share liberally and just a positive space where it's a completely safe space for you as a notary. Okay, so let me give you a breakdown of what some of the contents of my course is. So for $289, you will get to learn so much about the notary signing business. Not only what your job is, but real estate transactions and how it actually relates to you. So we'll be talking about the role of escrow officers, title officers, real estate agents, so on and so forth, because it's really important to have a really great foundation of understanding this business so that you could fit in and create opportunities for yourself within this business. So in addition to that, of course, you get scripts and templates and things of that nature. There is mindset work. You guys know I'm a huge proponent of mindset work. Also, you'll have access to a private Facebook group. So the private Facebook group, like I stated before, is something that I am extremely proud of because it's like-minded notaries. So you're going to have notaries to actually encourage you, to bolster you, to assist you with questions that you have pretty much on the spot. So that's everyone's commitment within my cohorts. They have always helped each other. I'm really proud of that. In addition to that, like the thing that a lot of people really want is this mentorship. So my mentorship program has changed because I want to be able to assist as many people as I possibly can. So what that means is I am going to be going live within the Facebook group every single Monday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you will be able to pop on as you choose and actually get your questions answered, clarify your strategy, get clarification on something that happened earlier in the week, assistance with setting goals, so on and so forth. Really, whatever it is that you need, I'm here to assist you. I'm here to see your business flourish and for you to do really well. So the thing that I'm most excited about is your access is not going to expire. You will be able to continuously have access to this Facebook group, not for 3 months, not for 6 months, not for a year. Your access does not expire. And the reason why I feel like this is so important is because you will have stages of your business. So there's always a building stage, and then you kind of grow your business, and then there is a scaling stage. And I want to be there to assist you with every single stage of your business. So right now the course is $289. The first of the year, it is going to increase. The price will be increasing the first of the year. So if you want to get in at the $289 level, I suggest you go to my description box, tap the link, and actually go ahead and proceed to payment. I am offering split payments. You can split your payment into 4 if that makes it more affordable for you. And I want to address something also. So some people have actually taken courses elsewhere, but they haven't gotten the exact type of assistance that they needed. And that's not speaking bad about any course whatsoever. The main point that I want to convey to you is if you have taken a course and the course still is not producing the results that you want, if you still feel foggy and you don't have clarity on several things, then by all means, come on in to my family. Welcome into the family. We will welcome you into the family and join the Notary Academy. So I'm super excited to bring this to you guys. Now let's just get back into the video. So guys, I really hope that this actually satisfies you all. I hope that I get a lot of support with my course. I never ever thought I would be in the position where I would be creating a course, but I do have a lot of knowledge to share. I do have a lot of experience that comes along with being a notary and being in the lending industry, and then just combining those two to being a notary signing agent. So I'm really, really proud of everything that I've accomplished thus far, and I'm really proud of everything that you have accomplished too, and what you will accomplish in the future. So the link will be in my description box, so be sure to check it out. Share, 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 share. So if you know anyone who could benefit from this information, if you know anyone who wants to get into this business, because I think it is the ultimate side hustle, the ultimate side hustle. I just want to brag on my mom for just 1 minute. My mom is almost 70 years old. And last month, my mom, as her side hustle, pulled in, I want to say $1,100 or $1,200 last month. So I'm super excited about that. So, you know, this is her just working the business as she sees fit. She's involved like in volunteer work. So she does a lot of work with volunteering, and she just basically works the business as she can. And almost 70 years old, bringing in like $1,200 a month, doing loan signings as she sees fit, and she just got her first direct client too. So congratulate my mom in the comments. I'm very proud of her, super proud of her, super proud of all of my mentees. So thank you guys for all of your support thus far, and I cannot wait for us to connect in my private Facebook group. So until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.